Hello everyone. Welcome you to the sessions on Electronic Devices and Circuits Lab. Are you passionate about electronics? Curious to know what really happens in an electronics lab? Yes, I know you're curious. And at the same time, maybe you're filled with lot of questions. For example, if your teacher suggests you to take 1 kilo ohm resistor to perform an experiment, say forward biased characteristics of a diode, a question immediately pops up in your mind like, why only this value? What happens if I take another value? Can I experiment and see what happens? Wait, take a pause for your questions. A practical approach is probably the best approach to mastering a subject and gaining a clear insight. Laboratory is such an environment where you can experiment to answer all your questions that pop up in your mind. Now, what do you mean by an experiment? It's a process to verify a known fact. That is, here you will be doing whatever your teacher instructs you to do. Not only this, it's a procedure carried out in order to test for various values and see what happens. Here you're going to work on different values and check what occurs, keeping in view the safety precautions to be maintained in the lab. For this, I suggest you to choose a virtual environment so that you need not worry about safety of the equipment. Now, you must be waiting to know what exactly are you going to do in Electronic Devices and Circuits Lab. You're going to verify the operation and behavior of electronic devices like diodes, transistors, field effect transistors, etc., electronic circuits like rectifier, clipper, clamper, amplifiers, etc. Upon successful completion of Electronic Devices and Circuits Lab, you will become familiar with all the electronic equipment like CRO, function generators and multimeters, etc. You will be able to analyze the characteristics of different electronic devices, build an electronic circuit for various applications of diodes and transistors. Journey through the lab will be as follows. First, we'll be studying about passive and active components, equipment we use in the lab, followed by the list of experiments. We are going to verify each experiment in the lab. That's all about Introduction to Electronic Devices and Circuits Lab. Thank you. Have a nice day.